How to use any celebrity voice with voice changer app. So first things first, you need to download a trusted voice changer application. Go to Play Store and you can search in here for voice mod or celebrity voice changer or voice.ai or magic mic. Choose one with good ratings. Open the application and you should be able to see it right here. As you can see, they have a lot of good celebrity options like ice cream. They also have ChatGPT as well as other options that you can choose from right there. They also have Roblox and also Yoda, Vine Boom, and the likes. So just choosing here which one you want to use. And then you can also sort them by trending as well as creating your own soundboards. So for this one, just head over and choose which one you want. And then from in there, you can just transmit it and use it as it is when you try to join a call or any application. So that's how you use any celebrity voice with Voice Changer app. Hope we help.